Whether you're looking to blend up your favorite whole spices, or wish to create a custom marinade, spice grinders are a fun and easy tool that will take your dishes to the next level. A cousin to the trusty food processor, choose any spice of your choosing, from whole spice leaves to coffee beans, and watch it transform into a ground spice blend before your eyes.
Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 5 best spice grinder in 2023. So let's get started. Number 1. Secura Electric Coffee Grinder. There are several great spice grinders out there, but the Secura Electric Coffee and Spice Grinder earned the best overall spot for a few reasons. One of the biggest is that it has 2 separate milling bowls, one for grinding dry ingredients and the other for chopping wet ingredients. The bowls also have measurement markings on the inside, so you can easily add what you need without using separate measuring spoons. This grinder includes a clear plastic cover that sits on top of the stainless steel bowl to keep ground ingredients from flying out as the blades spin. The 2-blade grinding bowl is meant for handling dried ingredients from herbs, like rosemary and thyme, to spices, like peppercorns and cardamom. Our tester noted that it created a fairly consistent, fine grind on most spices and worked beautifully to create enough freshly ground pepper for cacio e pepe in about 10 seconds. Number 2. Kuhn Rikon Adjustable Ratchet Grinder. If you don't need the power of an electric grinder, but you still want an easy and effective way to add freshly ground spices to your dishes, the Kuhn Rikon Ratchet Grinder is one of the most user-friendly manual spice grinders on the market. This Swiss-designed model has a door on the front of its body that you can open and use to easily fill the spice chamber with one dried spice or a combination to create your own spice blend. Unlike other manual spice grinders that require you to turn the handle in a full circle, the Kuhn Rikon has an ergonomic ratchet handle that you toggle back and forth to grind. It's made of ceramic stone, so even after frequent use, it won't break down or corrode. Number 3. KitchenAid Blade Coffee and Spice Grinder. Probably unsurprisingly, KitchenAid, one of the leaders in kitchen gadgets, earned the spot of best multipurpose spice grinder with its dual coffee and spice grinder. Unlike other grinders, which require thorough cleaning between different spices or when you switch from coffee grinding to spice grinding, the KitchenAid comes with 3 separate stainless steel grinding bowls. These bowls allow you to quickly grind different spices without the transfer of flavor that inevitably happens when you're using the same bowl for the entire job. There are also 2 storage lids, so if you grind more than you need, you can pop a lid on 2 of the bowls and save it in your pantry for later. Our tester found the KitchenAid grinder easy to use, as switching out the bowls only requires a simple twist to remove. Number 4. KRUPS Silent Vortex Electric Grinder. Unlike other grinders, which can be obnoxiously loud, the KRUPS Silent Vortex Electric Grinder was designed with quiet in mind. If you're an early morning cook or need something that gets the job done during a child's afternoon nap, this model from KRUPS is probably the best choice for you. It comes equipped with patent-pending Vortex spin technology that helps pull ingredients into its blades for grinding that's as quiet as it is efficient. It has a one-touch button that you can hold down for continuous grinding or tap to pulse. Our tester noted that, unlike similar models, the KRUPS gave a wonderfully even grind to lightweight dry herbs, like mint and rosemary, and kept them down close to the blade. When it came to grinding peppercorns, it took a little more time than other models, but the resulting grind was excellent. Number 5. SHARDOR Coffee and Spice Grinder. The SHARDOR Coffee and Spice Grinder was expertly designed to be the perfect multitasking tool. It comes with 2 stainless steel bowls. The first is a 2-blade grinder bowl that handles dry items, like spices and coffee beans. The other is a 4-blade chopper bowl that can wet grind garlic and herbs, like basil, eliminating the need for manual mincing as you cook. The design of this grinder makes it an excellent choice for anyone with manual dexterity problems, especially since, instead of pressing down on an on-off button, you can activate the motor by pushing down on the entire lid instead. Our tester found this model to work best with spices and required at least a tablespoon of each ingredient to get a proper grind. Since the bowl is removable, it's easy to get every last granule of ground spice out with a few taps. It comes with a coffee spoon that has a brush on its handle to help whisk away any residual dust or powder. That was our list of the top 5 best spice grinder in 2023 just for you.